Alma here. It was really nice talking with you on Thursday. As promised, here's a short video where it shows you where your website stands in comparison with two of your other competitors and what you could do to have more potential customers find you and retain your services. So let's get started. I would like to talk about three things. I want to talk about content, backlinks, and citations. I have your site here. And what is content? We're going to look at your site. You have pictures and words, and that's what Google cares about. But you're definitely going to need more than this. Google doesn't care how beautiful your site looks. What they care about is that you have anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on your main page. I also have two of your competitors. We're going to look here at Best Quality Plumbing and also at All Valley Plumbing Services. Let's look at how many words you have on your main page. It looks like I use this tool and it looks like you have 601 on yours. We have 1,373 for Best Quality Plumbing and 1,066 for All Valley Plumbing. So just by you adding more words, more content to your main page, you can beat them out of the water when it comes to content on your site. So the second thing I would like to talk about are backlinks. What are backlinks? Backlinks are links from a page on one website to another. If someone links to your site, then you have a backlink from them. If you link to another website, then they have a backlink from you. And they are important because they help with the following three things. Ranking. Google sees them as votes of confidence. Generally speaking, the more votes that you have on your page, the more likely they are to rank for relevant search queries. Number two, it helps with discoverability. Search engines find new content by revisiting pages they already know about to check for new links, and search engines revisit popular pages more often than unpopular pages. They may discover your content faster if you get backlinks from popular pages. It looks like you have 690 here, but some of them are not very good because they are no follow, meaning they're not trying to pass link juice on to you so that you can have power. This is what reflects the backlinks. They give you power. What is a link juice? Link juice is a term that we use to describe and measure how much power a backlink passes on to another site, and therefore it strengthens it. So you need definitely more. Let's see what your competitors are doing. We have Best Quality Plumbing. They have over 4,000 of them, and they are mostly good ones. If you can see here, do follow. They are passing their power onto this site, and it shows here. Let's look at All Valley Plumbing. They have 378, but they are not very good because if you can see down here, they have only 21 do follow and mostly no follow. So these websites are not passing on their power to them, as you can tell here. Now let's talk about the third thing I want to talk about, and that's citations. What are citations? Citation is having your business name, address, and phone number listed in as many online directories as possible. Local directories. You have 34, and this reflects here. This will give you trust. Your competitors have 421, and they have a lot, and the other one has 27, and is giving them a lot. So you definitely need to have your website listed in as many more online local directories as possible so that you can build that trust, and when people are looking for the services that you offer, they will be able to find you. Where this also takes me to the next item I want to mention, which are the keywords. Looks like here you have 109 organic keywords, but they're not giving you much traffic. Now let's look at your competitors. They have all these keywords and they're getting this traffic, and All Valley, these keywords, and they're getting more traffic. So you need to have more relevant keywords, meaning they need to have, for example, the city at the beginning or at the end of the keyword. Like if someone is looking for your service, they're gonna type, for example, plumbers in North Hills or North Hills plumbers. That's how people can find you for the services that you offer. These are the ones for AV plumbing, and they're getting more traffic. So definitely need to have better keywords throughout your site, including keywords saved on your pictures, because also pictures are considered part of your content according to Google. So to summarize, you will need more content, anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on your main page, including your pictures, saved under the right keywords so people can find you when they're looking for the services that you offer. Also have backlinks on as many authoritative websites as possible. Increase your citations to give your business more credibility, higher rankings, and to also make it easier for potential customers to find you. These things you can implement on your own, or if you like, I will be very happy to help you with the process of ranking higher on Google, because being on the first page of Google, especially the top 3 spots, will definitely help increase your revenue. And one last thing, I would love to have your feedback on this video. Once again, my name is Alma, 661-406-0608, or please reply to this email. Thank you so much for your time, Joe. Have a great day.